Nico, can you say Ají Charapita?
Charapita.
Yeah. These are just beautiful, stunning little peppers. Let's harvest some and we'll talk about them a little. Not a lot of people know about them here, and they have a really unique flavor and they're pretty spicy. Like, they are pretty hot. Okay, put it in here. Put it right there. Good job. Can you get the other orange ones?
This orange.
Yeah, that one. Get it. Good job, man. Put it in there.
That the one can't eat it.
I don't think you should eat it. It's pretty spicy.
That's little tiny.
Yeah, they're tiny peppers.
Yeah.
You can get it. And they're just prolific producers. So this is today's harvest off of this one plant. We've got a couple other plants we're going to be harvesting off of.
That's the orange.
And they seem to love the Texas heat and the Texas climate here. So it looks like before summer is over, I'm gonna have just hundreds of these. And they can actually be preserved by putting them in a jar with lemon juice. And you can keep them that way, and that makes for a really good flavor too that you can add to your foods. I personally love these in caldo, so in a chicken soup. They are really good. Take one or two and crush them up in a bowl, and it'll make that whole bowl pretty hot. Did it.
I did it.
You did it.
Yes.
Good job, buddy.